So how can you determine if you found the best network marketing training out there? I've got some really great tips and tricks to help you figure out how to build your business in record time. Well, my name is Karin Angeli from KarinAngeli.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their businesses in the online space. And I want to share with you today about how you can find some of the best training out there. Do me a favor, if you're coming in live, let me know that you're coming in live. Drop a hello and let me know where you're coming in from. If you're coming in on the replay, do me a favor, drop me a replay as well, and let me know where you're coming in from. So let's chat a little bit about network marketing training. Okay, there is a crap ton of training out there. Wouldn't you agree? Like, there's so much out there, and a lot of times it's hard to sift through what's going to be most effective and what's going to be most helpful for you in your business right now, right? I know for me, when I started in my online journey, I was very fortunate to have someone help me really figure out what was going to be the most important, the most effective for me. Because for me, I didn't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure things out on my own, right? Like, and I'm sure that you've felt that way as well. Do you agree that you don't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure things out on your own? I know that building your business, there's a reason that you're in your business. Most likely it's because you want to have some financial and some time leverage. Is that right? Like, I'm sure that's how it was for me. I really wanted some freedom in my life. And that's what network marketing ended up being for me. So when it came to training, when I first started in the network marketing industry, I actually didn't go outside the box to find different training. I actually did very well just doing the things that my upline shared with me up to a certain point, okay? And the reason it worked up to a certain point is because it always works really, really well doing a lot of the old school stuff where you have the parties, you talk to your closest friends and family. It always works the best in the beginning, okay? Because your market is brand new. Your market has never heard from you before, okay? Never heard from you about this product, never heard from you about this opportunity. You're super excited. So that excitement created lots and lots of momentum for me. So what happened for me is I built quickly because I wanted it, because I went out there and I talked to people consistently and daily, and I followed up with people. Okay, so those tried and true methods are super crucial, okay, especially if you're brand new in the business. However, if you're like me, where you'd been in the business for quite some time and you got to this point where you kind of were stalling out, maybe it's time to start looking at some other options for building your business. And let's be honest, the online world has tons and tons of options of where you can start. Okay, so I'm going to hopefully help sift through and help you figure out where to first start. Okay, when you're first starting, try to find some training for yourself, some training to help yourself figure out how to build your business. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, what platform do you want to spend the most time on? Okay, I highly recommend, now I don't recommend to stay in just one platform, but I highly recommend staying in one platform for at least a year until you've fully maximized it, until you've fully understood it, until you've basically mastered it. Okay, I highly recommend sticking with that one platform to begin with, okay? However, as time goes on, and this is something that I disagree with a lot of people on, most people say just to stick with that particular platform. And the problem with staying with one platform forever is you kind of pigeonhole yourself, okay? You kind of just end up getting stuck. And what I've learned is that when I add different platforms into my marketing scheme, I'm actually able to bring more and more people to me because it's a broader view of who I am. Okay, so I pull in different people from different places. Okay, but What I highly recommend is if you are starting out, ask yourself, what platform do you want to start on? Okay. This is the first thing you've got to know, and really, really niche it down to what platform you want. Because if you start on this platform and then you move to this one, and I want to do social media, no, I want to do search marketing, you're not focused enough. Okay. So it's super important that you find a training that focuses on the platform that you want to focus on, okay? So start there first and foremost. What platform is it that you want to actually engage on, okay? Second thing I want you to ask yourself when looking for solid network marketing training on how to build your business, most likely you're looking to build your business online, right? So ask yourself, when you're looking at a particular training, ask yourself, has this method been successful for others before you? Okay. Like I said, there's a lot of crazy training out there, and some people are throwing out training that might not necessarily be successful. Maybe it was successful 5 years ago, but it's not anymore. Okay. So what I recommend is that when you're looking at trainings, find somebody that has already been successful in the past with your training, okay? Go to that person if you can, online, offline, doesn't matter, but go to that person and pick their brain, okay? Ask them what they did, how they did it, and how this particular training helped them, okay? Ask them lots and lots of questions, because the more questions you ask, the more likely it is you're going to find the training that actually suits you, okay? So really ask those detailed questions of how they were successful, what they did to be successful, how this training specifically helped them in building their business, okay? These questions, they're going to be a game changer for you. Make sure that you actually go and you find somebody that has been successful with this particular method, okay? Third thing that I highly recommend that you should be looking for if you want to find some solid trainings within the network marketing space on how to build your business. Maybe you've started your business and you're not finding success, or maybe you've hit a plateau like I did. Ask yourself, is this method that you're looking to learn, is it duplicatable? Can the keystone in network marketing is finding things that are duplicatable for people that you bring onto your team, because there's nothing worse than bringing people onto your team and watching them fail, okay? Watching them struggle. Now, I will say right now that not everybody has the same work ethic as you. It's just true, right? Like, there's not everybody out there that's going to do the things that you do, okay? So remember, when you're bringing people on, sometimes they're not successful because they're not doing the things. However, if they're doing the things but they're not seeing success, you might want to ask yourself if what you're doing is truly duplicatable, okay? So when you're looking at trainings, ask yourself, could you, once you learn this particular method, could you then impart your knowledge onto somebody else? Okay? Because to be completely honest, network marketing is all about helping other people. Have you noticed that before? Let me know that you've noticed that in the comments, because network marketing is not just a you game. And what I've seen in the past with people is that if they're so focused on their game and they're not focused on the people that they bring into their team, they struggle, okay? They don't hit the top ranks because they're not focused on helping other people do the things that they did to get where they are, okay? So it's all about asking yourself, is this method duplicatable? Can somebody come after me and learn what I learned and be able to bring people onto their team, bring customers onto their team because of what is happening, okay? So really, really focus on those things. Okay, last but not least, this is my favorite one of all time. Okay, and I talk about this ad nauseum probably because I feel so strongly about this last one that I'm going to share with you. Okay, when you're looking for a solid training for your business. Find a mentor, okay? Find somebody that has been where you've been and is already where you want to go, okay? Find somebody that has already done it, okay? A mentor is literally going to shave years off of your learning curve. They're literally going to say, just like I said with the whole duplication thing, they're going to be able to take their knowledge and put it in your brain. That's exactly what you want with a mentor, okay? Mentors are fabulous for being able to impart their knowledge upon you, okay? I'm pretty sure that you don't want to take longer than you have to in building your business. That's probably what brought you to this channel in the first place. It's probably what has you listening to me at this very moment, because you don't want to take longer in building your business. You want to find the best training out there, and you want to actually build a business that matters. You want to build a legacy. You want to build that freedom. You want to build that financial leverage, right? Like, so find somebody that has already done it, that can mentor you, and that can bring you along with them. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I would love all 4 of these things that you just shared with me, Karin, but I have no idea where to start, I actually want to invite you to a community of entrepreneurs where our goal is to help other people, whether you're in network marketing, whether you're a realtor, whether you're a chef, whatever you are, whatever business you're trying to build, doesn't matter, okay? I just really love the network marketing industry, okay? So, but this particular group of entrepreneurs is there to help each other build their businesses, whatever business that may be, okay? And so I want to invite you, if you're thinking to yourself, I would love to know more about all 4 of those things that you talked about, Karin, about how I can have a community of people around me, how I can have some mentors around me, how I can have people that have already been in the trenches and have done what I want to do, people that I can learn from, trainings that are solid that I know are going to work on whatever platform that I choose. I want to offer to you a community of people that can help you figure all of these things out, okay? So what I'm going to do, if you are on YouTube right now, I've already left a link for you to join a challenge group on the Facebook platform, okay? So you can join a challenge group and you can actually connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, find people that are in the same place as you, connect with them, and learn from some of the top earners within their industries, okay? If you are on Facebook, I'm gonna leave that link in the comments for you. That way you can go ahead and check that out as well. So I invite you, if you're thinking to yourself, I want some solid training on how to build my business, go ahead and check out that link, because I want to see you thrive, I want to see you grow, and I want to see you in a community of people that feel the exact way as you. So go ahead, check out that link, and I will see you inside that community. Bye.